going? So there is a new update to MetaWeather version 4.8, and I kind of wanted to talk through a few of the cool new features. Um, so the first change is the current conditions view looks a bit different. And probably most noticeable is the places search is moved from a tab item to the top right of this view. And there's really two reasons for this. So the first reason is before you had to click over here, type in your location, and then navigate back. Now all navigation happens on this page. So you're never leaving the weather page. You're just clicking this button, typing in your location, and then it just displays that data. So it's a better user experience. Also, this is only specific to this page. So for example, in the reports page, which is a new feature of 4.8, it's only for your current location. So this could be a different location, right? Same thing with the AI. This is only for your current location, and the blog is irrelevant, and same with settings. So it makes sense to keep this on this view only. So that was the reasoning behind that UI change. Some other changes here. So this AI button's a bit more obvious. And when you click on it, I now display some loading dots, and then the text once it's done fetching the data. And this makes a call to the OpenAI API using the WeatherKit data that I have for the selected location, and it displays the results. So that is how that works. Let's see, any other changes? So I guess down here when you click on a day, I now display an AI summary here as well. Pretty nice, very easy to read. So those are some of the main changes on this front page. Also, some of the basic UI is a bit different. Looks a little more professional. The blog, same thing, a little more refined. Same with the AI assistants, a bit more refined looking. And then the big update for version 4.8 is weather reports. So what this is basically I have this connected to Firebase real-time database, and the user can click this plus button, and I automatically log the user's location, so their city name, their latitude, and their longitude. And I also log the timestamp standardized in GMT, so everyone around the world has a standardized time. And then the user can select a condition. So let me just pretend, let's say we're in San Francisco. I'm gonna delete this after, don't worry. But let's type in like 1.2 inches of rain, or I guess we could do, let's see, let's go through some. We got snow, maybe wind's a bit more accurate. We'll say it's like 5 miles per hour because I'm not quite sure what their weather is. I don't want to say it's raining when it's not. So we're gonna go with that. Submit report, and then you notice at the top, that's been added. If you click on it, it'll bring you to that location on the map. This uses MapKit, and so if I click on maybe Austin, navigates there. If I go to East Lansing, navigates there. So very nice. And this data can be used by researchers to verify radar trends. So for example, if a snowstorm is approaching you, sometimes it's not clear if it's snowing, right? So like as the storm's approaching, some of that outer light snow might not be reaching the ground. And so these surface weather reports are really useful to researchers. And there's a system out there called MPing right now used by the University of Oklahoma that does that exact thing. So this is kind of similar, but it also does a bit more. So like, for example, you can actually type in snow amounts and stuff. So you can get a little more detailed with this. That's just looking for current radar trends. This is kind of like a full weather reporting system. So it does even more than other systems out there. And yeah, so this is pretty cool. So those are the main changes for version 4.8. If you have any suggestions, I'm always happy to hear them. And that's all. Thank you.